Alrighty guys, Chris and Miles Canopies and 4x4 here. Today we got a Towbar video together for you guys. Well, we're going to put it together for you guys. So it's going to be a Towbar fitted and the electrics on this 2023 Hyundai Tucson. So basically since the 2021 onwards, the new model has come out, the Tucson, and what was the other one that they shared with? The Tucson and the Sportage, actually, I believe. Kia Sportage and the Tucson share a chassis. So if you've got a Sportage, this video will be applicable to you as well. Other than that, let's get into it.
And it started with your mouth. I paint my mind in figures. I still hear your call. I see you in the distance, and you're still standing tall. Put you up to my paranoia. You're my kind, don't let me destroy you. Count to 10 and we lose the sun. Hold my breath and I start to run. Ooh, it's just something about you. I just can't figure out. I really hope
wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say, need to tell you I need you. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but trust me, even in the silence, time will tell. Time will tell. Oh. Guess I blame it on my past. Used to plan the future way too fast. Why repeat it when it hurts so bad? Why repeat it when it never lasts? I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say, need to tell you I need you. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but trust me, even in the silence, time will tell. Time will tell. Oh, time will tell. Oh.
I've been in your waters. I came for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
guys, Chris again. Saw me at the start of the video, now you see me at the end of the video.
Wow, no shit.
Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the process of getting this Towbar, the heavy duty one, fitted from our partners at Tag on this Tucson. So what do you get? Obviously the 7-pin wiring plug that we sort of got done right off the tail lights as well. This one does have a removable hitch, very straightforward. Just sort of pull this pin out, comes out. If you've seen a Class 4 Towbar, you've seen every single one of them. Towing capacity of these is always exceeding the towing capacity of the vehicle. So whatever it is that you have, rest assured our partners at Tag or BTA or even the ones that we supply ourselves are tested above and beyond the requirements of the vehicle, so you can tow to your heart's content. And that's the reason why we offer a lifetime warranty on all our Towbars. So other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline, as we always say, all right? And we'll see you guys on the next one.